The DIMOFAP 3-piece patio set features a high-strength steel frame that is rust-proof and designed for all-weather durability, making it perfect for use in any season, both indoors and outdoors. This set includes 6-inch thick cushions that are not only comfortable, but also easy to clean, ensuring vibrant colors for over 3 years even under direct sunlight. With its ergonomic design, the patio set offers body-contoured seating and lumbar support, providing 8 hours of comfort and making it ideal for reading or conversation. The set's sleek design includes armrest chairs and a coffee table, seamlessly fitting into small spaces like balconies and porches and complementing modern or Scandinavian decor with its gray tones. Assembly is a breeze with the included tools, allowing for solo setup in just half an episode of your favorite TV show, supported by 24/7 installation instructions and a 1-year frame warranty. This patio set not only elevates the style of any outdoor space, but also provides stress-free ownership with its reliable after-sales support.